My friend, Sean Vigue, SeanVigueFitness.com. Oh, I just got off the road trip from hell, but maybe I'll tell you about that sometime. So I'm excited to do this 10-minute core workout for you. No weights, no machines, great for everybody. As always, please, I love it, check in below. Let me know you're here. Let me know where you are training from. Me, I'm training from my deck here. All right, let's use great control. You build the core, and the posture and alignment will come. Working your abdominals, lower back, hips, and glutes. Let everything spread out from there. And what a great opportunity this is. Short amount of time. Let's get going. Where am I going? Okay, let's start with the rocking forearm plank. Forearms down, lace the fingers, tuck the toes. We're gonna do 20 of these. We're gonna inhale forward, exhale back. Keep a nice parallel line. In the nose, out the mouth. Here's 3, 4, 5, stretch the shoulders. 6. Good, do a total of 20. As always, my counting is horrendous. I'm going to do 10 more from right here. Inhale forward, exhale back, getting some mobility in the shoulders. 12. 13, this is great after that road trip. 14. 15, very good. 16, slow and steady, always great control. 17, 18, 19, squeezing the abdominals. Pull those abdominals in on each exhale. And forearm plank, 5 breaths right here. Each exhale, pull the abdominals towards the spine, activating your rectus abdominis, your six-pack muscle. Press the heels back, stretching the legs. One more breath. And let's lower down. Very powerful core move, the swim, taken from a Pilates workout. Arms forward, we're gonna do 20. Shoulders back. Inhale, opposite arm, opposite leg. Exhale down. 1. Inhale, exhale. In the nose, out the mouth. Slow and steady. Dig deep into your muscles. You wanna cultivate long, lean, strong muscles. 6, 7, going to 20. 8, 9, all that muscle activation happening in the glutes and up the back and down the legs. 11, 12, palms facing in. 13, 14, 15, 16, you feeling that? Little sweat coming in. 17 as we bring all the muscles together. 18, and I do believe we have 2 more. And lift, and while we're here, arms and legs up, Superman pose, 5 breaths. Inhale, increase the lift. So squeezing all the way down the back, into the legs, into the glutes, into the shoulders. Good, getting all that blood flow into the back, into the spine. Okay, take the arms out, airplane. 5 breaths. Each inhale, lift up higher. So we get a nice squeeze in the shoulders. Of course, working your back muscles, your lower back. The weight is on your stomach. Deep breathing. Okay, very nice. Let's bring it up and over for heel touches. One of my favorites, very underrated exercise, I believe, but done with great precision and control. It's very powerful. Head slightly off the mat, tuck the chin. Arms forward, bring the feet in. We're gonna crunch side to side. So begin when you're ready, just like this. You exhale, inhale, exhale. You want a little bit more, take the feet slightly off the mat and stabilize your core. So sink your lower back down as you start to bring some beautiful attention to your obliques on the sides, on your sides. All right, let's do 20 more from either position, starting now. 1, a little faster. 2, 3, keep the control. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more, slow it down. 1, 2, 3, keep the control. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Crisscross, back up, crisscross applesauce. Right knee, right angle, left leg out. Keep it here. Lift the chest towards the leg. Now switch, right angle. 20 times. Here we go. Precision. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Feel good? Let's do 10 more, my friend. You and I, you and me, 11, 12. We're good like that. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What's that? More fun? Yes, the Batman crunch. Why don't you go tabletop position? We're going to bring the arms back. Drive room. You're going to exhale, lift the chest up, and extend the legs out. So we get a stretch and some squeeze in the legs as well. Bend. Inhale back. Exhale, reach. Let's do 10 more right here. In the nose, out the mouth. 1, 2, 3. Use those abdominals. Here comes the helicopter. 4. Should have planned the helicopter exercise right here. 5. Take the legs lower for more of a challenge. 6, 7. I feel it. You feel that? 8. That's success right there. 9. Now, bring it forward. Hold this. 5 breaths right here. Keep the lower back down. Work the whole spectrum here of the core. Shoulders are back and down. Posture is everything. Oh, what was I thinking? One more breath. We got it. Okay. Head down. This is the straddle series here. Option. Let's all do it together. It doesn't feel so strange. You keep the knees bent. You can be right here. We're going to lift up, reach through, or you can feel free at your own level. Your own level. Remember, my friends, yours. Find where you are. Work from there. Extend the legs out. 5 breaths. Each exhale, you want to lift, engaging the abs. Also extend the legs so we get core strength and flexibility training all at once. It is unbeatable. It is unstoppable. It is the foundation of any kind of training that I do. Any cross training, I always make sure core strength and flexibility in the body, because that leads to greater control and stamina. One more breath. We're not done yet. Reach to the left. 5 breaths. Each exhale, you're lifting towards the foot. Right here, abdominal. Stretch the legs. Let your body shake, 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 shake with joy, building stronger every day. Oh, very zen, isn't it? And of course, left side. There's the right side. Reach it over. Okay. 5 breaths. If you need a little more, fingers to the back of the head, or take the head down if your neck is really bothering you. Work your way up. Work your way up. Levels, Jerry. Levels. 2 more breaths. Oh, that is fun, isn't it? Okay, shake out the legs. Drop those legs side to side when you're ready. This is called windshield wipers. A fantastic stretch. It also works the sides, works the core. Inhale, center. Exhale to the side. There's always time for this dynamic stretching in any workout you do. Dynamic, ever moving, ever flowing. One more time each side to keep opening up blood flow in your body. Okay, come to plank position. What do we got time for here? Actually, are we over 10 minutes? Let's see. Sometimes you run a little bit over. Side planks, 10 times. We come to classic plank. We're gonna inhale, lift. If you want, stack the leg for a moment. That's 1. Come back to plank. Shoulders back. Here's 2. This one takes a lot of balance as well. You can feel free to drop your bottom knee. 3, I'm adding the stack or stagger. Stack or stagger. That's the number 2 meal at Wendy's. There's 4. Good, nice straight line. Everything you do, do it with control, do it with precision. You're the only one who can. With the body you are given. Here's 6. Back to plank. 7. Keep a good rhythm all the way through. Good form. And I feel pretty good after sitting so much last couple days. This is nice. I'm glad I could do this workout with you. I might be doing an extra credit one here, but that's all right. Extra credit, it's a good thing. Last one, lift. Now, lower down. Let's finish the X pose or the starfish pose. Arms and legs out a little wider, and we lift. 5 breaths, finish here. Feel the flexibility in the spine, that movement, that mobility. And I hope this workout was just what you needed. You can repeat it as much as you wish. Practice it. Always practice. And well done, my friends. I'm going to finish with a little up dog stretch here. Make sure you check in below. And thanks for training with me, Sean Vigue, with SeanVigueFitness.com. Hey, it's Sean again. If you like this video, I have a free gift for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from my vault. All you have to do is click the first link in the description below or in the pinned comments, and that will take you to a page where you enter your email address, and I will send you that free video right away. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscribe button, smashing the like button, and check in below with any feedback, questions, or if you have any specific workout requests for me, put those in the comment section below. That is the best place to reach me.